Welcome back, boys and girls. It is literacy time. Are you ready? Now, today we are looking at all the letters of the alphabet, but we are going to talk about a letter. And so let us rumble these letters, shuffle them around. Are you ready? I wonder which letter it will be. Let me start singing and stop at that letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. Which letter did I stop? Who said the letter F? Today we are talking about the letter F. And the F says, come on, let's make that sound. What sound does letter F makes? What sound does letter F makes? My name is Mr. F, and I make the sound. Your turn, try that. So we have uppercase F and lowercase f. Touch it. Uppercase F and lowercase f. Uppercase F and lowercase f. Ooh, the letter F. F says f. Now we are going to move over to some words that begin with the f sound. Look at this object. What's my beginning sound? When you say the word fish, there is a sound at the beginning of that word. Let's call the word again. Fish. You hear the sound? Fish. What sound do you hear? Very good. We heard a sound. So the word fish begins with the letter F. Very good. The sound or the letter F. Awesome job. Ta-da! So F begins the word fish, and we're talking about the letter F. Let's find another word that begins with the letter F. Way to go, boys and girls. Well done. Let's move on. What is this? Did someone say fire? Should you play with fire? No, teacher. Some people say fire, some say fire. You should not play with fire. Very good. And fire begins with the letter F. Let us. Very good. So F begins the word fire. Very good. Give yourself a clap, boys and girls. You are doing an awesome job. So we say fire, fish. Any other words? Fan. Very good. Fritters, flower. Very good. All those words begin with the letter F. Begins with the letter F. And the F says f. The F says f. Very good, boys and girls.